Rinaa Phoenix is here, and she gonna talk to you about the Queen episodes. Now, honey, don't just think she a filmmaker, honey, because this thing just told me that she be out here rapping in these streets. I ain't gonna put her on the spot, but salute to you. Salute to you. That's what's up. All right, so tell us a little bit about these Queen episodes.
Okay, so the Queen episodes are about the story of a girl who is, on the up and coming trying to make it, and she is facing certain things that, may stop that or may make us,
all the obstacles that's thrown in our way anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. So what inspired it? Is it self-inspired, or is it kind of a collection of things that were going on around you, or?
Well, it was based on the character, the Queen, but it was written and created by Impact and Rebel Alchemist. So I was just chosen to play the part.
Okay, but that's what's up though. Now about this music, where can we find your music?
Yes, you can find me YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon. You can just type in Rinaa Phoenix and I will definitely pop up. That's the one that always.
So what has been your favorite place or the best performance venue that you've had so far?
Wow. I've had so many, but I have to say, I don't remember the name of the place, but I was in Kansas. Kansas.
Oh, Kansas. Okay, Kansas.
Yes.
Oh, Dorothy wanted to go back to Kansas, baby.
Yes.
So Phoenix going back to Kansas. All right, so Rinaa, honestly, it has been a pleasure just meeting you. So let us know if there's anything that we need to be looking forward to coming from you, or anything like that.
Yes, it is. You can be looking forward. I have 2 projects coming, Lipstick and M.O.A.M. Yes, one, and then I have another project that'll be dropping unentitled. So be on the lookout for those.
Because y'all know y'all some entitled ninjas out here. So she dropping unentitled, because you need to be unentitled.
Yeah.
Rinaa Phoenix, thank you so much, guys. Follow her, Rinaa_Phoenix on Instagram, and make sure you run that music up.